Dragon training. Start in the morning.
Oh man, I really should have gone first. You know, because I was thinking, we have a surplus of dragon fighting Vikings, but do we have enough bread making Vikings?
You'll need this.
Dad, I don't want to fight dragons.
Come on. Yes, you do.
No, let me rephrase. I can't kill dragons.
But you will.
No, I'm very extra sure that I won't.
It's time, Hiccup.
Can you not hear me?
Can you not hear me? The Trial of Flame is where Vikings are made. Where heroes are forged. Where future chiefs are born.
I'm none of those things.